right lead, that's always nice. Reorganize, find your way across the middle. Okay. And again, sometimes you can get a little smudgy from side to side. You gotta work a little bit of magic, and when you jump in the right lead, make sure that you're jumping in.
Here's the first round for number 220, Woodland, Mandolin, Rain, and Perry pass well. All right, guys, I need these final two. I've got Wiley here perfect, so I just need Lexi up here.
Lead change. You're just going to have to work some magic for that oxer not to get all the way down. Okay. Pat him on the neck, talk to him a little bit. Yes, you ready? You ready? Okay, I think that you're good to go. Yes. Yeah. All right, so it's a little early on your turn. Single. Watch getting cut. I mean, you're a little wide there for the 7. Connect with your eye line. Try to turn early. Just cutting off the ends of the ring a little bit for the 2. You're going to be over here, okay? Then nice, reorganize, balance up. Make sure that you always stay behind an eye line for the 7. And then if you can, look early for the last